blocks right now? The guy on the blocks?
No, I don't know what he's doing, but the one over here.
That's what I was talking about, the guy standing on the block.
Oh.
Also in a Sunfire. John Henry, Chris Ellepek, Cavalier, Cody Eagle, Cavalier, Dan Waite, Dan Dale, Darren Duncan, Sunfire, and Matt Adams in the Ford Temple. So looking for 8.
Sunfires are pretty popular cars.
So are the Cavaliers.
Well, what other small car do you put in it? Neons, more compact, like nothing.
Cody Leroy Cavalier, fast 50. 24-hour touring and stops right there on the back fender, I think.
This is going to be really funny.
You can see Scott's Auto Records number there, 519-82-1607. I bet you we will not be able to read that right there.
He is probably like freaking out right now. I think that looks retarded with that exhaust pipe. Oh, he's locked in. He doesn't have a choice now.
Look at the flapper on top of that one. Again, we're just closing the
So Mike's gonna hit him.
Watch this. Watch the traction these guys get.
What? What?
Died in Germany.
I don't know. They'll be over there somewhere along there.
I guess he died right by the French side.
Here we go. That ain't good.
Caution all drivers, certainly test out your seatbelt and your seat before entering the ring.
We knew the seat was broke too.
As with the gentleman's freaking top, you do take quite a job.
Tammy's freaking out.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, for this postpartum things, our safety crew is doing their job on the track right now. With the small cars, we are proceeding to the large cars, which should be in the staging lanes now. Again, there are large cars in the staging lane. So we're ready to keep our events going. We have 7 cars listed in the next large car. Bruce Shellcraft, Mike LeMay, Ryan Alderton,
He just gunned it too.
Philip Ross, Richard Smith, and Dick gentlemen, if you could have the vehicles ready and on deck.
Oh, that sucks. They're gonna cut our door off. Oh, I think I might have just knocked him out.
Oh, probably nerves. It's probably nerves. Anybody can take a hit like that. It's probably just nerves.
Did you see his seat though?
Yeah. Well, that's the thing. You'd freak out and then tense up. It's just a natural human reaction. They're not going to be able to win, can they?
Oh yeah. Have you seen some of the people they pull out of houses? Oh, it sucks. They're cutting our door off.
leaves.
Me?
Seriously, he's done now.
Ah, come on, you can make it for the consolation.
I would drive in the Constellation.
You ain't driving with no door.
37,000 plus.
Tammy, relax.
Over 4 days. On Friday we had in excess of 900 elementary school children here.
Surprised I don't see Dad out there.
Their students and sent a strike.
That had to have hurt though.
So nice. It was very interesting on the grounds. And children certainly learned about agriculture in Atlantic County. Now we know you're still with horses and the pigeon. How did that go? It was an excellent weekend. We started on Friday.
This is one thing to watch out for. Is the seat.
We had
Don't sit back on the
3
seat,
wagons
apparently.
giving the school children.
Well, as soon as you hit them, you're gonna hit the back of the seat. That's not even an option.
Didn't stop from 9 until 2:30. It was just constantly filled.
I think I might have knocked them out.
On Saturday we come back with horse shows and
Because I haven't seen any movement whatsoever.
Sunday we call it our working farm teams and set up a course and a timed event, and that turned out very well. And then Monday was a heavy horse show plus
And then these guys are like,
lots of action and a bunch of beautiful animals.
well, obviously the red hydraulic line didn't work.
Equipment should be operating already.
Something different
Truck check.
see at other
Every
Atlantic
week.
County fairs.
Mandatory. Clearly somebody fucked up.
Well, I had the opportunity to go through some of the exhibition buildings that we have.
They're looking at it like they don't know how to work it.
During the fair. And that was spectacular to see all the everything they had in there, not just the vendors, but all the cooking products and the agriculture that there was there. Do you have to be from Wigton to enter that, or can anyone enter?
I was just gonna say, why don't they just cut the straps and open the door? Like,
From anywhere, Mike. Years ago, prior to my time, we had visitors, and the ruling that is still on the book, Brick and Fair.
you'd think they'd be used to this whole derby car idea.
Send an entry in, we will accept it. Well, that's spectacular. And boy, I'll tell you, it's not just a whole fun fair. I mean, there's besides all the entertainment here, it's actually.
And I like how the
there's things here that
announcement
we
booth is
have,
just, you know,
the
talking.
very fortunate situation.